Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you what you're seeing right now, how to get that zoom type of intro in Wondershare Filmora. So without wasting any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. So the first step is we need to have a color in the background. So let's just select the black color, hold that and drop it on the timeline. So I'll just stretch my timeline out so it's easier for me to see what's going on. Next step is we need a title. So go to the titles menu in Filmora and just choose the very first one, the one that is default one. Plain text, I'll just go with the basic number 6. Hold that, again drop it on the timeline. Now again, double click on the text and then just change it to whatever you want. Let's say I'll go with the name of my channel, which is this. Once you have done that, go to advanced options because we are going to change this particular text into something different. So first of all, I'll change the font to something which is a bit bigger font, such as impact. Once you do that, just change the size of your text. I'll go with, let's say, 105. Once you have done that, click on OK. Now, next step is just take a snapshot of the screen right now, the way it is. So just go to the snapshot option, click on that. Once that snapshot is taken, remove these two things from the timeline. So just select them, right click and then click on delete option. Once we have the snapshot, hold that and then drop it onto the timeline. Now once we have the snapshot on top of the timeline, click on that, right click on that particular picture, then click on crop and zoom. In crop and zoom menu, go to the second option, which is pan and zoom. In here, click on this end dialog box. Once that is selected, hold it from one side and then shrink it as smaller as possible. Once you go to the bare minimum, hold that and then drop it right in the middle where you can see that white text. Once you drop it there, click on OK option. Now afterwards, if you try to play it out, it will look something like this. Now if you see it is taking such a long time for the text to disappear like that. Hold that photo, right click on that and then click on duration. In here, since it's 5 seconds, I'll change it to, let's say, 2 seconds, which according to me, it's more than enough for this effect. Once that is done, now let's try playing it out and see how it's looking like. Once that is done, the next step would be just take this particular photo and then just drop it one layer on top because we need to put a video here underneath. So just go to your video section and then just select any video that you want. Once you have your video, drop it onto the timeline underneath that photo and then click on your photo again, right click on that or just double click this time. Another menu will appear up. Go to the second option, compositing, and change the blending mode to multiply. Once that is done, click on OK and then let's see how it looks like now. So this is how it's done, and since it's being used as the intro one, it is going to look really cool. And like I said, you can also change the seconds from 2 seconds to even 1 second. Or if you want this effect to be a bit longer one, you can definitely change that 2 seconds into 3 or 4 seconds even. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it and I hope you got something new out of it. If you did like this video, do hit that like button. Also, if you're new to this channel, do consider subscribing so that whenever the new videos are up, which are every single week, you would be getting notified about them to learn about video editing from this software. And there would be many other softwares in the future. Stay safe wherever you are and I will see you guys in the next video.